Welcome back to CJ2a Classic Car Channel, the channel that provides video resources for you to restore, rebuild, build, and maintain your Jeep classic car and daily, everyday driver. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the like button down below. Let's take care of all that business ahead of time. That really does help the channel. You really can't imagine how much that really does help the channel. So I would really appreciate you doing that. So let's get into it. What are we doing today? Today we're replacing the starter solenoid on my Jeep back here. Not that I think that's particularly bad. However, I have a new starter en route. It's been shipped in. I'm just waiting for it to get here. And I decided, hey, let's go ahead and put a new solenoid on as well, since we've replaced everything else pretty much in the starter system. So we're going to put the solenoid on and just verify that that wasn't the problem. I've done some electrical tests and I don't think it really is. Join me on the adventure as we run and get into this. I have a new one here, a little bit different style. Should work. So we're just going to work on trying to hook up some of this beforehand, before mounting it. Maybe a mistake. I don't really know what I'm doing. But if you've watched the channel, you know that sometimes we make mistakes over here on this channel. And that's all part of the build, right? And you will probably make mistakes too. And that's okay. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. At least you're moving. At least you're working on it. And that's what you want. Oh yeah, I was going to clean up that other one. We'll do that here in just a sec. Alright, so we cleaned up the connection here. And we're going to put that on. So, and then we got a battery cable to put on over here. Dropped. There we go. Got it. Brand new battery cable. Put the lock washer, I'm sorry, and the nut on here. And we'll tighten all this down like so. Next up, we'll kind of mount it back into the same hole using the same bolt as I had before. Just kind of cleaned it up a little bit and put a stainless steel lock washer on there. So I'm just going to get this started by hand. So we'll just try and get that hand tight right there. And then we're going to take the wrench and finish it out. And this one may stick out a little more. It does. We're able to get behind it a little bit. Really like to get this on there. There we go. We got it. That saved a good 10 minutes of awkward maneuvering. It's in there pretty good. Alright, so it's in there pretty good, so now we're going to try out the starter and see if it made any difference. Alright, so we're going to see if we can get it started. Who knows? Nothing. Alright, so I went to start with that solenoid after we all put it on, and nothing. So this is several days later, and I figured out that there are two different types of solenoids. One that it has a charge on that starter post and you just have to ground it out, and another that has no charge on it and you have to supply 6 volts for it to actuate that switch and send the voltage over. Did not know that, and so I bought one that needs to supply 6 volts. The one I had already had 6 volts on it, and you just have to ground it to actuate the switch. So I've now changed out and gone from the push button starter to now the key switch ignition, and yeah, we're going to see what it does. On your starter switch, when you turn it all the way to ignition, that energizes this to send 6 volts to your starter. So we're going to try this out to put a temporary wire on this one to see if we can get that starter solenoid to work right. We got this from Willys, great guy. Definitely recommend them as a store. And so what I've done is I've run a temporary line over here to supply power to the solenoid. So we're going to hit the starter here and see what happens. So we're going to have to start from over here, which is a little different, but here goes nothing. What? Well, that's positive. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care now. It's time for supper.